So again, we started this out with understanding how the VPN setup takes place. And we said that the de facto standard is to use IKE. And what makes up IKE? IKE is Oakley and ISACAMP. It's using those two protocols together. So the first phase of IKE, what is that doing? The first phase of IKE is setting up a secure connection between the two VPN devices so that the handshake and material that goes back and forth can be protected. Remember that we don't want the handshaking parameters to go in clear text. So the first phase of IKE is for the both ends to get a symmetric key. And what does it use to get a symmetric key on both sides? It uses Diffie-Hellman. So the first phase uses Diffie-Hellman to get a symmetric key on both VPN devices. Now, in the second phase is when the actual handshake agreeing upon the parameters for the VPN takes place. So they have a symmetric key so they can encrypt that data back and forth. Once they agree upon all the parameters, where is that data kept? It's kept in a security association. Once there's agreement, a handshake that happens, our agreement, the parameters are going to be documented in a SA. How many SAs do we need? We need at least 2 per connection because they're directional. You have to have one SA for accepting data from another VPN device and one SA for going over to that device. Both of those SAs contain instructions on how to process the traffic.